Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I hope you are doing good and welcome to another video. In this video I am going to show you my experience with the latest Pixel Experience Extended ROM, which is also known as Pixel Extended. This ROM is pretty awesome. Its Android version is 10 and this one is the latest build and official build for our Redmi Note 8. You can also find it on Google for your device. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is not a customization ROM. This ROM is all about the performance. The performance of this ROM is pretty amazing. Every single thing, every single app, every single game is working fine on this ROM. There is no any bug or issue in this ROM. As you can see here, the PUBG Mobile is installed on my device and I usually play it and it works pretty amazing on this ROM. And we also have the Mi camera app pre-installed in this ROM with all available and working modes, as you can see here. But don't worry, if you are Gcam lover, then you can install any camera mode, Google camera mode, from the link in the description. And in the launcher we have Pixel launcher with some minimum settings, as you can see here. Then we have the wallpapers. In the wallpaper we only have these still wallpapers, we don't have live wallpaper, but don't worry, you can install the OnePlus Nord live wallpaper by watching my previous videos and many more live wallpapers. The app opening speed and overall performance of this ROM is amazing. As you can see here, it is opening the applications quickly, as you can see here. Now let's dig into the settings. And the settings, first of all, let's talk about the battery. The battery performance of this ROM is also amazing on the stock camera, but if you want to overclock the battery performance and the overall performance, then you can also install any custom camera kernel on this ROM. And we also have the smart charging, but it's lit on the stock kernel. I recommend you to use the stock kernel. And here we have animations for every single setting, and here we have some gestures like tap to wake, tap to sleep, and you can change the accent color, the body font style, the switch style, and app icon shake, and many more in the display section. Then we have the sound. The sound quality of this ROM is pretty amazing, like MIUI, because we have the Mi sound enhancer in the Xiaomi parts, which is a very helpful feature. And in the security, the fingerprint is working pretty much fine. As you can see here, it is unlocking the device quickly, and we also have the face unlock in this ROM. Let me register my face. The light condition in my room is just normal, and as you can see here, the face has been registered. First time it will ask for the pin or password you just entered, and as you can see here, it is unlocking the device quickly as it detects the face. Then we have the sound system. In the system we have gestures. In the gesture we have jump to camera, system navigation, lift phone to check, and swipe three fingers for screenshot and adaptive playback. And in the system navigation bar you can also enable the full screen mode by hiding the navigation bar pill to get the massive full screen view. Then we have the button settings. From here you can manage the power button and volume rocker button settings. You can also enable the advanced reboot options. Then we have device customization. From here you can enable the network indicators, status bar icons, you can change the battery style, and many more. Then we have all other settings like system updater, developer option, and etc. After it we have the about phone section. From the about phone section you can check your Android version, which is the 10. The security patch of this ROM is 5 August 2020. The ROM is pretty stable and recommended for daily usage. The performance of this ROM is just lit. And if you want to install this ROM on your Redmi Note 8, then just download the ROM from the link in the description and reboot your device into an installed custom recovery. The preferred recovery is TWRP recovery because it is easy to use, and you can use any recovery. I am using the pitch black recovery. If you want me to make a separate video on how to install the pitch black recovery on Redmi Note 8, then comment below. After going into the recovery, go to wipe, go to advanced wipe, and from here wipe everything except the internal storage and SD card. Like select everything, do not select the internal storage and SD card. Wipe from here. After wiping, go to install, and now locate your downloaded ROM. Mine is in the IDM compressed, and here we have the pixel extended for our Redmi Note 8. Click on it and flash it from right here. Simply, I am not going to flash it again because I already installed it. After flashing, go back to home and reboot into the system. After rebooting, the ROM will be installed on your Redmi Note 8. So hope you guys like this video. If you really did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. Thanks for watching. Peace.